This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge. Ready to move in 3/2/2 CBS home with screened pool, fenced backyard and lake views. Roof was replaced in 2017, garage door 2018, some windows replaced with impact 2018, remaining windows have accordion shutters, air conditioner in 2021. This popular open-concept Hampton model features cathedral ceilings and newer engineered hardwood flooring in the main living area and bedrooms. Split bedroom plan, stainless steel kitchen appliances, located on corner lot. The Meadows offers 24-hour man gate, sidewalks, pool, parks, and tennis. Convenient to shopping, restaurants and all the wonderful things Martin County has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge at 772-692-8834.